Okay, so apparently this is part 2, right? Yep, it's part 2. That's the way it goes sometimes. So apparently I got a phone call and it knocked off my phone. So I'm just going to do some random snowflakes here. They kind of look like stars, but I'm going to turn all of these into pretty little snowflakes. And then I'm going to put down the cards that we cut out. All right. I feel like I want more blue on here. More blue somehow. Okay, so we'll see if we can figure out how to do a little more blue. Okay. There we go. To get them all? No, not yet. Put them all in, Pam. Don't chintz. There we go. Oh, we missed one. There. It's not bad. Okay, they look a little snowballish like. Snowflake-ish like. Well, we don't really know, do we? No. Okay, so now here this is silver stickles. We'll see if it comes out. It might need the pin trick. Let's see. Maybe if I go around. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, one, down, up, down, up. It's a little older, so we're going to be understanding that it might have an issue or two. So far, it's working well. I'm going to try and upload both these videos on the same day so you don't have to wait for part 2. Nobody likes to wait for part 2, for gosh sakes. And, okay, so it's got a little bit longer of tadpole tailing because it's a little drier and older, and mine are very old, so if you buy new ones you shouldn't have this problem, but that's not really that much of a problem. It's just you have to be aware it gets thicker like the Fabrifix gets thicker, you know, like we get thicker in the middle as with time goes by, you know, like that, kind of like that. Yeah, no, not like that at all really, but you know what I mean. Okay, so just putting some more around here. And once you get good at it, like you're a pro, you can just motor. And you really